Healthy, simple and delicious. You can't go wrong using our chicken casserole recipe seasoning. You can get this whole dish together for less than a tenner and feed the entire family. Start by chopping up an onion and a carrot into even pieces. Then get some chicken breast or thigh and chop that into nice even pieces. Warm up your casserole dish on the hob and add a generous amount of oil. Then add your chicken pieces and brown it off. Once your chicken is done, add your carrots and onions and give them a mix. Now get your Pureety chicken seasoning ready, mix with 300ml of water until fully combined. Pour into your dish and mix well. Pop a lid on and place into a preheated oven at 170 degrees and cook for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Once it's done, take it out of the oven and add some chopped parsley. Pair it with your go-to veggies and a heap of buttery mash and dig in for a delicious feast. The full recipe can be found on our website now.